comrades, I want to know Yahweh ithuba engininizwayo ngophinda futhi ngizintroduce. My name is Nkosi Mkhize MKS. So comrades, ours is very simple to support because ikhuluma ngokuvuma umuntu omusha. Currently, comrades, we know that there's a vacuum ekhona ye-activeness yomzabalazo wabantu abasha. So the MK Youth League, which is being established under the MK, is the only home current for abantu abasha. Because bonke yaphela wonke ama-organization akhona ezinhlangano iyouth yakhona ilele. So we need to wake up and make sure that we capitalize the vacuum ekhona emphakathini. As the youth league of the MK, comrade, we need to make sure that we are going street by street, we are going ward by ward, and ensuring that we are activating the youth league and we are taking the struggle in Yamatabasha, because if we say Bombay, Savannah, Yamatabasha, we will respond. Currently, comrade, we can see, we would say in youth league, we will not enter. Our youth league, comrade, is Savannah, and women is not prioritizing that because those are the children of the black people. If it was white people that their children were there on the street, the government was going to initiate a program that was going to assist those